Today I am making South Indian chicken with Bengali twist. These are the starting ingredients. First I am cutting tomato in chunks. Thank you for watching my video and making puree of tomato. Now cut onion in thin slices. Cut ginger in small pieces. Peel garlic also. Make paste of ginger and garlic with white vinegar, half teaspoon. Now making grated coconut, 3 tablespoons, sesame seeds 1 tablespoon, green chilies 2 chopped, water 2 tablespoons, making a paste. Look, these are the final ingredients. Now start cooking. Mustard oil 3 tablespoons and a few curry leaves. Add sliced onion. Now add garlic ginger paste. After frying 2-3 minutes, oil will come up. You can see. That time I am adding fresh tomato puree. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. After 2-3 minutes frying, I am adding chicken. Mix masala with chicken. At the time, keep flame in medium, okay? Let the chicken fry for 5-6 minutes. After frying chicken and masala, I am adding water, half cup. That time add 2-3 curry leaves. More flavor will come. Make the flame high. I am putting salt, half teaspoon. Now cover the pan and make the flame low. 5 minutes over, let's check the chicken. Chicken should be little more cooked. Cover the pan again for 5 minutes. 5 minutes over, let's check. Total 10 minutes I keep. Yeah, chicken now fully cooked. Now add the coconut paste. I mixed sesame seed. You can use Posto. Adding little bit of water, 2 tablespoons. And pinch of sugar. This is Bengali touch. Now plating and garnish time. Garnish with fresh green chilies and curry leaves definitely. But Bengali touch is just spread few drops of mustard oil. Enjoy with soft dosa, idiyappam or white rice. Subscribe my channel, like and share please.